Namaste dear friends, my name is Rohil and today I'm going to lead you on a simple and short practice for your eyes. Nowadays we spend a lot of time on our screens, whether it's our phone, whether it's our laptop, watching movies, and this really puts a lot of strain on our eyes. So to begin with, I'm going to ask you to raise both your fingers so your right hand index finger comes out in front of you, the furthest point away from you, and the other finger close to your nose. Now you're going to focus on the finger away from you, so focusing on the finger away from you and then switching the focus to the finger that's close to you. Once again, switching back the focus to the finger away from you and then switching to the one close to you. Now we're going to change it such that you can take your face and then going about double the distance from your face, close to your face distance itself, and again just the two fingers, and without moving your head from side to side, moving your whole body, you're just going to move the eyeballs to first look at your right finger and then look at your left finger. Switching back to the right finger and then to the left. Good job guys. We're just going to do one last movement where you're going to bring your fingers, one at the top of your head and one at the bottom of your chin, and just bringing it forward just a slight bit. From here focusing on the finger on top and then the finger at the bottom. Finger on top, finger at the bottom. To end this practice, we'll just rub our palms together, creating some warmth. And then once you have nice and warm hands, you're going to close your eyes and place these warm palms over on top of your eyes. Just relaxing your eyes for a moment. And then slowly releasing. This is a great practice to do every single day, especially if you feel like your vision is faltering, you're getting glasses. It's a great way to keep your eyes strong. Additionally, if you are suffering from eye problems, it's also a good idea to stop viewing any of your screens after sundown. So after sunset, to stay away from your phone, from your laptop, etc. If you are starting to have eye problems, this will really help you, as the artificial light that comes in through these devices is damaging for the eyes. I hope you take up these practices to benefit your eyes in the long run, and if you know somebody who needs to see this video, please do share it. Namaste.